You guys just saw it right there in the beginning of the video. We got the Quad Adrenaline here at the house, but let me start off proper by saying what is up, guys. Welcome back to another video on Pure Panorama. We are gonna dive right into the box of this Quadzilla Adrenaline, show you what you get, the wiring harness, everything that comes with this thing. We'll go briefly over the instruction books, which I got right over here on the side. They are very detailed, nice pictures. Couldn't be laid out any better to help somebody get this thing installed and get it up and running in your truck. I am super pumped to get this all on the truck and get using it, but I don't unfortunately have time to do that tonight. I was going to try and surprise you guys, try to get it installed, but I did get out of work a little bit late. The weather is perfect right now. It would have been a great night to do so, but unfortunately, doesn't look like it's gonna happen. But me being impatient, I'm looking to try and get this thing installed one night this week. So keep your eyes peeled for a video coming soon on the installation of this Quadzilla. But right now, let's just dive into this damn box and show you what you get. And again, huge shout out to the guys over at Diesel Auto Power for getting me taken care of with this order, shipping it out very quick so I got it in a timely fashion so that we can get it installed on the truck, start using it and comparing it to the Edge Comp Box, showing you all the benefits and features this thing has to offer. All right, guys, so let's peel this box open and get right into it. First off, right here is your actual module. This is the module that you'd mount right on top of your fuse box underneath the hood. This is well, this is where the magic happens. That's that. And then here we have fuel pressure sensor stuff. So snubber valve, we got a T so we could put that into our big line kit just like the other one for our gauge on our pillar, and then the actual sensor itself. So we got the fuel pressure so we can have a second fuel pressure reading. Another reason I am pretty pumped to have this quad installed on the truck is so that I can compare the readings that we get on the quad to the readings that we get on the glow shift gauges, and we'll see if they are different and how much they vary by. We'll actually get to see now if the glow shift gauges are reasonably accurate or if they just are not accurate at all, and if they truly do suck. And digging a little deeper into the box, well, that's where you just have all of your wiring harnesses. This is your Bluetooth module so you can connect to your phone or a tablet. You got your EGT probe. You have a temp sensor here you can use for an oil temp sensor or for your tranny. So I am gonna actually hook this up to the transmission so that we can get our trans temp, because that is more crucial to me. Obviously, this is for your map sensor, and then you got like data link and all your plugs for everything else, your EGT probe, your map sensor, all that is on this main wiring harness right here. And then of course your Bluetooth module will plug into that as well. Other than that, you get a very well laid out instruction manual for installing this sucker. Nice photos, good organization to it, tells you how you can hook up this little temp sensor here to your oil or your trans, however you choose to do that. And then it has a good little diagram here of the main wiring harness and what lead goes to where. It does give you all of your power levels listed in order here, and then this is just all step-by-step stuff. You guys who have this obviously already know this, but this is for the guys who don't have it, just kind of showing what you get with this product. So if you are kind of interested in it or curious, maybe on the fence about picking one up, well, now you know how it comes and what you're gonna get and if it's worth it to you or not. And I like this right here too. They make it super easy for you to get to the website. You can scan these barcodes and it'll literally take you right to where you need to go to get that, even here for like the tech support and stuff. So I like that they put that in there and just make it super convenient, super simple and easy. It's really just dumbed down and convenient for the consumer, because we know not everybody out there learned how to use their brain. That is all there is to it as far as the Quad Adrenaline unboxing goes. Everything you just saw is what you're gonna get. The instruction manual is very nice, very well laid out, and I am just super pumped to get this thing installed on the truck and start to try and dial things in and play around with some custom stuff, see if we can't find a sweet spot for the truck that will be good for it as far as fueling in the engine and the transmission. Just because a tuner has certain power levels that it can go up to doesn't necessarily mean that you're always going to be running it at that power level, or that you should run it at that power level. Obviously, depending on how the rest of the truck is built, you don't want to go and destroy your truck. I mean, a lot of kids out there, yes, of course, they're going to be kids, but that doesn't mean that you need to do that and destroy everything else around the truck so that you're down and you can't use the truck or enjoy the quad. So if you are putting a tuner of any sort on your truck, use your head. Make sure that you are using it to the mods that you have already on your truck. Don't try and exceed any of the supporting mods that you already have for it. And if your transmission is not built, then certainly don't be running it at the highest level, because it will not take long for the transmission to start to act tired and then just completely flake out on you. With great power comes great responsibility, young grasshopper. You guys already know what I am most excited for with this quad though, and that is to compare it to the Edge Comp Box and show you the differences between the two. Also to now compare it to the glow shift gauges and see what type of readings we get on the quad as far as EGTs and fuel pressure, things of that nature, and then compare that to what the EGT and fuel pressure gauge is saying on our pillar, and see how accurate or inaccurate a glow shift gauge truly is. So a little excited to figure that out, and then just really excited to play around with this thing as far as customizing it and changing the fueling curves and timing and when the timing hits or the fueling hits, all that stuff. So keep your eyes peeled for an install video, hopefully coming your way soon. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me on your way out. If you are new, stopping in for the first time, now would be a good time to hit that subscribe button, become a family member so that you don't miss out on these videos with the Quad Adrenaline. Don't forget to check out the links in the video description for any of the tools, products, anything like that that's listed down there for your convenience. Again, big thank you to Diesel Auto Power for getting this here to me in a timely fashion, and I will see you guys soon with another new video, hopefully the install of this Quadzilla Adrenaline. See ya.